Indonesia is committed to achieve net zero emission in 2060, with Bali could be a pioneer through innovative sustainable practices to become premium tourist destination. These initiatives includes the use of electrified vehicles and development of its ecosystem by implementing solar panels, waste management and others, aiming to improve air quality and enhance Bali's appeals as a premium tourist destination with a cleaner and healthier environment. In this endeavor, the Stones Hotel Legian Bali autograph collection as part of Marriott Group demonstrates its commitment to sustainability through a variety of activities.
I just want to name 3 key points that we are doing it recently. The very first one is the solar panel that we are doing it. We also launched the programs of having electric charging stations. In February 2024, the Stones Bali Legian, working together with Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, so what happened, we are providing a transportation for our customers with the zero carbon emissions. It's actually our Toyota Innova EV, and the second one we have a Yaris Cross Hybrid, and the third one is actually a Prius plug-in hybrid.
Ini adalah pengalaman yang luar biasa bagi kami untuk menggunakan layanan shuttle Innova EV yang ramah lingkungan. Mobil ini cukup luas untuk mengangkut barang bawaan kami dan pelayanannya sangat-sangat istimewa. Dan kami sangat terkesan dengan profesionalisme pengemudi yang berdedikasi. Ini membuat perjalanan kami dari bandara sangat nyaman dan menyenangkan.
For business travelers, comfort and efficiency are essential. Prius PHEV shuttle provides an exceptional experience, combining luxury and sustainability, making it an excellent choice for travelers. All electrified vehicles used at the Stones Hotel are prepared by Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia with safety at a top priority. Guests can enjoy peace of mind knowing that their XEV shuttle ensure a safe, secure, and reliable travel experience.
The Stones Hotel Bali was provided us the Toyota Yaris Cross hybrid shuttle. So it was really nice, stylish, compact size car.
And we also take inside on the large in bicycle. Sometimes we wanna use bicycle because it's so beautiful view over there.
Toyota hybrid technology was really impressed me.
Because not use too much oil or something.
So it's really eco-friendly. I really appreciate the Stones Hotel Bali for offering us the really cool service with the Toyota Yaris hybrid.
Good collaboration, I think. Good collaboration for Toyota in this hotel.
Since its trial implementation in February 2024, this project has contributed to reducing CO2 emissions by 740,000 grams and decreasing fuel consumption by 30 to 50% from all XEV shuttles. With the spirit of "Let's get electrified," this campaign is more than just a slogan. It is a call to action, encouraging all visitors to be part of green and sustainable tourism transformation. Let's get electrified.